Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. How are you, everybody? I hope you're fine by the grace of Almighty. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty. So I'm watching a lot of games. I'm very much happy today because I'm watching game. I'm standing here watching the game. Some students are playing cricket. Some students are playing football. Some students are moving here and there. Some students are taking their breakfast. Actually, it is not a breakfast. They are taking fast food or junk food. But I know junk food is not a good for health, but it's a very tasty. They are taking this junk food. So I'm searching a partner. Those who are staying and those who are come here every day. Those who are come here every day. But actually, I'm not a regular visitor here. Just I come here only. So I'm searching some person. I would like to know the reality of this field and this game or this mart. But just I'm going to some person. But who would like to say first? So I'm searching viewers, but I'm looking at students. Oh yeah, I'm looking at students or teachers. Oh, brother, can I talk to you, brother?
Oh, you can.
Yeah, brother. If you don't mind, I would like to know your name, please.
Obviously, I'm Akram Hussain, but please call me Akram.
Oh, sure. I'm very much happy to talk to you because your name is Akram Hussain. Yes. But I would like to know, what are you?
I'm a teacher at GEI.
Oh, I'm sorry to say, brother, if you don't mind, would you like to make me understand what is the full meaning of GEI?
Oh, yeah, obviously. The full name of GEI, G means global, E means education, I means institute.
Oh, I'm very much happy to know the full meaning of GEI. G means global, E means education, I means institution. Oh yeah, I'm very much happy.
Thanks.
But I have a next question. Do you come here every day?
No, I don't come here every day, but I try to come here only Friday because we have some students. We have many students. We bring them to remove their monotonous minded.
Very good, monotonous minded. But it is very helpful for them.
Obviously.
After coming here, what do you do?
After coming here, we give them opportunity to play football, cricket, etc., etc.
Yeah, I'm very much happy to talk to you because you give me a lot of information. So I think that if somebody would like to keep their body fit, they need to play football, play cricket, and any other game. If they play football, cricket, and any other game, it will help them to keep their body fit.
Obviously, it will be helpful.
Very good. I'm very much happy. Just I'm searching a student. What is your student? Oh yeah, brother. What's your name?
My name is
Kefayatullah. What class are you in? কোন শ্রেণীতে পড়ো তুমি?
Grade 1.
Very good. I'm in class. Grade. I'm in grade 1. Why do you come here? তুমি কেন এখানে আসো? I come here.
I come here play.
Very good. I come here only play. Only play. Very good. Fantastic. What is your name, brother? What is your name?
My name is Masood.
Masood. Are you a student?
I class.
Are you a student? Yes, I'm a student. Yeah. What class are you in?
I class in.
I am in grade 1. Very good. My dear viewers, just I'm watching and moving here and there, and I'm searching some person, but I found it shortly before. So it is not my desire to long this video. So those who would like to improve their spoken English, so follow this channel. I'm sure that it will be very helpful to improve your spoken English and English language. So thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.